I'm here at the ID at Xbox Showcase with my big silver ball, and we just checked out Children of Morta. Children of Morta comes from Dead Mage, and it's published by 11-Bit Studios. So this game is a pixelated, shaded, lighted dream. It's neon as hell. I love that in my games. This game is gorgeous. That's why I stopped to play it. It's pixel art, but with, just lighting and shading and a bunch of detail that I really, really like. In the demo, you can pick one of two characters, the daughter, Lucy, or the father, but I'm definitely gonna pick Lucy. She's a fire mage. It's very fun, very up my alley. So there are a lot of controls. Oh man, I missed most of them. That's okay. We're gonna figure it out. A is dodge, now I know. So this whole world is procedurally generated. I was talking with the developer, and he said even he doesn't know, what's gonna come up every time he loads up the game. And shooting in this thing is really cool. It's harkening back to old school shmups, where you just press the stick in a direction and it shoots. So she shoots fireballs, and I don't have to press a trigger or anything. Ah! I'm getting hit, Okay. There are skeletons and archers, goblins, and oh my gosh, and bats. I like bats a lot. I don't want to kill the bats. And this weird glowy thing that I'm just gonna... Oh god, why would I do that? There's spikes everywhere. Okay, this thing is pulling me into the spikes. And you can break the pots. Nice. Of course you can break the pots. Alright, ooh, what's this? I just got some kind of power-up. Looked cool. Alright, that's fine. Ooh. My character just went, haha! Bats, die, die, die! I'm so sorry. Ah. Oh, health, yay, okay. I need that. Oh, I also have some special moves I haven't used yet. I think I can do like a tornado. Which I'm gonna use right now. Bye. That was awesome. It didn't quite kill all of them, but it got really close. Oh man. Poor bat. I'm sorry. Ooh, hello coins. What's up? What's up? Bring it. Bring it.
So you can choose 4 different characters. They're all on different weapons.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Big spiders. Bye spiders. I don't want to go that way. There's a bunch of spikes. I have learned my lesson. Pops, pops, pops. Ooh, what's this? Oh, just a glowing. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I hate this. Okay, so this is crazy. This is a pixelated game. Obviously the lighting, the shadows are really, really cool. But you can see that this is a poor little pup defending its dead mother or parent. And it's very sad. It is a mother. The game just told me it's the pup's mother. I am gonna save this pup. Come here. Ah! Oh! Okay, I'm gonna try to save this pup. God. Oh no, okay, rage. I just entered rage mode, and now I can move and shoot. Wow. I am very powerful. Hello. Back off. Woo! Uh-oh. I died. At the end, right as I died, I had come across this pup that was protecting its mother that had just been killed by a group of evil demons. The developer told me if I had actually survived that encounter, I would have been able to take that pup and take it home, back to my home base, and actually raise it. And it would be a persistent element in the game. I'd get to raise it throughout the rest of my playtime. That little detail, things like that, really, really touched me. Children of Morta proves that you can have a rich emotional connection to a game even if it's not in high-res 3D graphics, even if it's using pixel art. So Children of Morta is scheduled to come out for Xbox One, PlayStation 4, and Switch and PC this year, probably in the summer. We're at GDC all week, so head to Engadget.com for all the news from the show.